Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for saving a routed trip in Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass user tutorial videos link. For many users, the ability to save routes can save time. To save a route for the first time, run the route as you normally would to apply for a permit. On the routing screen, a new route is needed traveling from I-10 Alabama to I-10 Louisiana. Click the Validate and Run button to run the route. To save the trip for use in later applications, click the Save This Trip button located above the map. The Save Trip prompt will be displayed. Enter the name of the trip and click the Save Trip button to finish saving the trip. A trip saved confirmation will be displayed, allowing the user to know the trip was saved. When applying for a permit, you will be able to utilize the Load Trip feature once on the routing screen. Select the trip you would like to recall from the Load Saved Trip drop-down list and click the Load Trip button. The origin, destination, and any via points will be populated in the Enter Trip panel. Click the Validate and Run button to generate the requested route. If there are any restrictions or the dimensions entered on the vehicle and load information screen are above what the route allows, the system will reroute and provide the safest, quickest route possible. View the blue highlighted line on the map display and the driving directions under the map display to check the route for any changes. The Saved Trips link on the company dashboard in the administrative panel is where all previously saved trips are stored. Click the Saved Trips link to see the list of trips that have been saved to the company account. On the Saved Trips screen, a saved trip's name can be edited or the trip can be deleted. Click the Edit Trip Name button to enter a new name for the saved trip. Click the Delete Trip button to delete the saved trip entirely. This concludes the Express Pass user tutorial video on saving a trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.